Right, so learning outcome 5. Right, that's a point in between. This is a nightmare. It's 13.8 billion years old. We could talk about that later, yeah? We're going to introduce, or going to remind you a wee bit of maths, because when we're dealing with these big numbers, right, we're going to have to deal with scientific form, right? Remember doing that in maths? Yeah. Okay. A wee bit of practice at that. Okay. So, we need to use scientific notation, right, to deal with these very large numbers. So, for example, 13.8 billion years. Well, that can be written as 13800, and I'll put commas in just to help a wee bit. No, I know, I'm going to get to that in a wee second. So I'm going to write it out in full first of all. Right, so that's 13.8 and then 8 zeros afterwards. Now, in scientific notation, this is 1.38 times 10 to the 10 years. And what that means, remember, is that we're multiplying it by 10 times. That's what the 10 to the power 10 means. Right, so this small 10 there means you need to multiply it by 10 times. So if you do 1.38 multiplied by 10, it's 13.8. Multiplied by 10 again, it's 138. And so on. If you keep doing that 10 times, then you get the 13.8 billion. Okay, I should have put an equals in front of that as well. So just another example. Right, and what that means is you divide by 10 3 times. The minus sign tells you to divide. Right, so divide by 10 3 times, and that would be 0.00256. Now, one of the things that makes life a wee bit easier in physics, let's say that was amps, that's quick, is that you're always allowed to use a calculator anyway. So you can simply put it into your calculator and click equals. Okay? So it's very straightforward here.